What? Give me that Desitin. Are you crazy? You gonna do your diaper? Yeah. Tell Mom. Tell Mom all about it. Oh, you need the wipes? All right.
Don't be weird. Say Mom.
Nana. You got your stuff.
Mom.
Is that for your bum bum? That's for your bum bum when you do poo poos and pee pees. Yeah.
He'll say pee pee, but he doesn't say poop.
He says poop. Yeah. What? Can you say good morning? Good morning, Cameron. What?
He say Mom.
Say, Mom, I need my diaper. What? Shoes? You need shoes? No, no. No. Game over.
Unless you're going to buy the next package of wipes, kid.
Hi. Hi. No, I'm making a video. I'm making a movie for you. No pinch. Ow. You're pinching me? Why are you pinching me? Don't pinch my legs. Ah, don't pinch my legs. Ow. Ow. You're really pinching me. What are you doing? You coming up here?
What do you say?
Please.
Up, please. Okay. Okay. What are you doing? Poop. Open. Do you want a banana?
Banana.
Who's perfect?
Banana.
That's a big word, kid.
Are you hungry? All right, let's go. No, we'll walk together. Hold my hand. Okay, ready? Okay, let's walk together. Hold my hand.
Are you going to get a banana?
Are you hungry? Oh, banana. You want banana?
Oh.
Yes. Okay. Oh, I see one. You want banana? Yes, I do. Yes, please.
Please.
Okay. Go show Mama. Go give it to Mama. She'll open it. Ask Mama to open your banana. Where are you going? touch.
You got a banana?
I'll sit. Let Mama open it.
You want me to open it? Kim?
Go give it to Mom.
Mom.
Mom, I got a banana.
No.
Where?
Banana.
Want me to open it? Who's gonna open that?
There's a plane.
Did you see it? Or just hear it? You see it with your eyes?
Oh.
Car. Oh, you got trucks on your pajamas? Yeah. You're funny. Socks. Baby.
Is that a banana?
Banana. Banana. Yay! Good job. Excuse me, that's so dirty. Get that out.
Trash.
Gross. Yeah, come here.
Come. Let me open it for you. Ugh.
That'll learn him, huh?
Ugh. Ugh, it's stuck to you. It's stuck to you.
A banana. A banana.
Is that funny?
Mama's eating your banana. What the hell? I mean, what the heck? Cameron, what you got? Oh, can I have some? Here, let me have some. Can I have a bite? He's like, nope. It's good, huh?
Very flavorful.
I can't believe you can just eat a banana. You're just a big boy. Are you a big boy?
That's too much. Why look at me like that?
Kim, come talk to me. You have trucks on your pajamas. I want to count them. Can I count them? Come here.
2, 3, 4, 6, 7,
Yoo-hoo.
6. You said my banana. He's so excited that he can say it.
I'm like, oh my God, you have a police car. Cars. You don't have trucks. You have cars. Cars. You say cars? Cars. Yes. Yellow. You say yellow car?
What about yellow banana?
Yellow banana? Up? Okay. You look so sleepy still. Okay. Up we go. I'll just watch you eat your banana.
What you got going on there?
Uh-oh, who's that?
A banana?
Who is that?
Looks nice. Is it good? Tell Nana to say, hey, thanks, Nan. Thanks, Nan.
Oh.
Can you say thanks? Thanks.
Thanks. Thanks, everybody. Elmo. What happened to Elmo? Is he sleeping? You taking a nap? I made this blanket out of Elmo. What?
Did you drop banana on my leg? Hey.
At least it's not a chicken nugget. Ew, right.
Say ew.
Oh, come on.
Cat.
Yes, cat. What's the cat's name?
Oh.
Cody. Cody, Cody, Cody.
Oh my gosh. Can you call Cody?
Cody guy. Cody, Cody, Cody guy, Cody, Cody guy, Cody guy. Cody, Cody, Cody guy, Cody, Cody guy, Cody guy. Cody, Cody, Cody guy, Cody. Cody guy, Cody guy. Cody guy, Cody, Cody guy, Cody, Cody guy, Cody. Say Cody. Say Cody, good morning. There he goes, look. Say Cody! Cody, 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 Cody. Cody Devin, Cody Devin. I hate that thing, Cody Devin. Cause he's Cody, 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 Cody.
Are you doing the Cody dance?
Cody dance. Cody, 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 Cody. I love you, Cody guy. Oh, toot toot toot. What happened? Did you pass out? Fall down. Did you lose your mind? Yeah.
Kim, come see Cody.
What?
Cody-
Cody is over there?
Cody wants some love.
Go give Cody some good loving. Nana. Toot toot. Toot 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 toot. Go see Cody. Go see Cody and sing him a song. Ready? Go see Cody. Ready? Cody Devin. Cody Devin. He's insane. He's Cody Devin. Who is he? He's Cody. Cody Devin.
Okay, come on in here and see the cat. He's waiting for you. Look at him. He's so sad.
Go see the cat. Go see Cody.
Please?
Come in. Push the one.
You better go in there right now.
There's a